Oh, didn't see you there. Jagaball. So, been busy out in the shop. Got a couple videos that I'm making for you guys. Some tip videos on how to do some... You like the tip. All right. So, quick tip videos that I've done. Did a couple on the PackOut rolling. There's a couple different mods that we have. Some 3D printed options. Electron Smith's the designer on a lot of these. But we did these pins that we have available in our store and the little lockouts that he designed. We also did these lockout blocks that let it to where you can open this handle without having to push it. You still have to push it to put it down, but to open it you don't. Check this out. Got some new these bit holders are the same, but got some new VHA nut drivers in the PackOut bin. Of course, you guys know I've been trying to pimp it out. SDS holders, Spax holders, all in a sexy black PackOut. If you all saw my little live video, I got me the fancy new handled. And if you look very carefully at this blade, tell me what is wrong. Where does it say? Right there. What does that say? It's a little hard to see. It says worm drive. Is this a worm drive saw? So, y'all convinced me, so I'm going to do a giveaway for this one because y'all said you wanted it to the US. I'm not sure how. You let me know in the comments how you think I should give this away. Other stuff we've been working on, bit holders, 3D printed. Right now we've got for 18 volt, 20 volt drills. I think it fits everything other than the 12 volt DeWalt. But this guy.
But Jigaball, I like your hat that you've got on.
My hat. You like this hat?
I do like your hat.
You know, a lot of people have asked, where do I get the hats? Well, I can tell you where you can get a couple hats. You watch this video all the way to the end, and there's going to be some information on the end of this. But what I really want to show you is this, and then we'll get to the hat. So this is the Festool AmmoCan, right? I wanted to put, when I did my live video, I showed you all the different things that you could put inside of one of these PackOut AmmoCans. And I have a Festool Track saw that I love, and you know those things aren't cheap, so I'm not getting rid of that. But I did get rid of the, what do they call them, Systainer case for it. And I was able to get the saw in here, and I wanted to get some of its accessories. So check this out. This is the full setup now. Boom. Festool AmmoCan. So we've got a tick to track it. We've got a place to hold the blade, as you can see. Clamps, I'll show you more about that. Got the saw, and if you look inside, there are other places. Can you see that in there? So went ahead and I did that with some magnets. Also, speaking of magnets, there's some tricks here. These are the little stash boxes, and these are also held in with magnets. I got some eye wash, so in case you get some sawdust in your eye. And on this side, I have some, oh no, no weed is in there. So those just hang in there, and if you watch, they're just held in with magnets. Speaking of magnets, so the lid, I've got my clamps, and say you want to get that clamp out. You just pull. You want to get this clamp out. You just pull. Those right there are just held in with magnets. So to put it back in, clamps there, clamps there. And I've slammed this thing around. I'm sure if you dropped it, but you shouldn't be throwing your tools anyways, that sucker holds in there well. I sell a pre-made piece of PVC sheet. If you want, on my website, store.jagaball.com, I sell this little insert for the lid. It's a blank. It's got screw holes here, and I think a screw hole up here, so you can attach it to your lid. It's pre-cut out. I think you only have to shave down one little spot in the lid, but as you can see, you gotta take your cord, put it in there, clears the saw, nothing hits it, and there it is. The Festool AmmoCan for a Festool Track saw. I appreciate you guys watching some of the other videos for it. This is sort of my completed setup Sort of proud of it, and it's probably the most extensive pack out that I've done. So that's that. Keywords. I have more than keywords. They want to win something, right?
Yes.
All right, so what do you guys want to win, right? You all said it, hats. So I got a couple things here. In this video, all right, here's what we're going to do. We've got some Milwaukee Carpenter pencils. We're going to be giving away 4 packs of, not this whole, but 4 5-packs. We're going to be giving away 2 of these, which there's nothing wrong with these other than they just have some blemish. Okay, these, all you need to do to win these, right, what were we going to say? Just comment SDS. So, separate from this and separate from the hats, just comment SDS. You can comment multiple comments, but comment SDS, and I'll pick 2 people in the United States, and I'll just send these to them for free. These fit the bit bins that you can get 3D printed from me at store.jacoball.com, or you can 3D print yourself. All right, so these, and not this one, but I got these. So there's 2 Milwaukee swag hats. What I'm gonna do, are we doing these US only? Mm-hmm. Just US?
Okay, Canada too. It won't be that expensive.
Okay, so US and Canada. We're gonna do all these for US and Canada, or just these all?
Sure.
Okay, so nice. US and Canada. What I want you to do is, obviously you're gonna watch this video. There's a keyword in this video, but there's 2 more videos that I have. There's the videos on this guy. There's 2 quick tip videos. There's one for the lockouts over here and one for the pins down there. And in each one of those videos is a keyword. All you need to do is on this video, comment the 2 keywords from that video and the keyword from this video. And the keyword from this video is the Festool AmmoCan. So there's your rules. Comment Festool AmmoCan and the 2 keywords from the 2 other videos that are on my YouTube channel. You can also comment SDS if you want to win one of these, because I know not everyone has the 3D printed stuff. But that's pretty much all you got to do. What do you think? I love your outfit.
I know, right? I got my fuzzy jacket and my tank top.
This is my camera girl for today.
I'm here.
So yeah.
But I'm here.
So I hope that the audio sounds better this time. I've got a mic on this little gear set up. Got to convince her to let me ship it to other countries. Is there anything else you think, honey, we should say?
Well, what do you always say at the end?
Oh, you want to end it? Thanks for watching, and pack out.